one does not simply meme without understanding internet culture. Hey cadets, oftentimes things come in waves, and the wave is now meme coins. It can be overwhelming if you're just getting started or if you've been around. It's basically a casino, but hey, gambling can be fun. So what exactly are meme coins? Well, they're just exactly that. They're memes that are now coins. No one is promising the future of finance or decentralized systems. We're all just here to have some fun and hopefully make a few bucks in the process. In this video, we hope to cover some of the culture along with some established meme coins that we might or might not accidentally have a moon bag of. I'm Captain Crypto and welcome to Cryptonauts. First off, we have PONKE! We're definitely on the PONKE Army because their art is just so good, helmets are on, we're just apes at the end of the day. I'm a PONKE, you're a PONKE, we are all PONKE. This Solana meme sets an example of how to create internet culture, always putting out funny content and growing their community. It's a Pepe monkey, a Pepe and a monkey. Pepe monkey, Pepe monkey, Pepe monkey, Pepe PONKE. Next, there's Pepe coin. Not Pepe, but Pepe coin. Pepe coin is from 2016. It's the original, there's an OG aspect to it. They have a based AI farm, could be fun. However, this one is on Ethereum, so watch out for those gas fees. Kick! Third, we love Brett, Pepe's best friend. Apparently, Base is Coinbase's layer 2, and it's getting quite a lot of attention. With Solana outages and outrageous gas fees on Ethereum, we can see why Base is looking attractive. And Brett has been crowned the king of the Base chain. Hashtag based. Last but not least, gotta love OSOC. This one has a bunch of crypto lore behind it, but it's available on almost all of the chains now, and they even created their own bridge. So let's just say this may or may not be the Shiba Inu of this cycle. Personally, we love memes here at Cryptonauts. They're an essential part of internet culture, and it's a way for people to relate to each other in a digital world. We have used memes in all of our videos since the beginning, on our Twitter, on our YouTube videos, and now it's a new wave, you know, in crypto along with AI, DeFi, RWA, the list goes on. But our industry is growing and we're just a bunch of apes, PONKEs living in it. All right, cadets, Captain Crypto signing off. All right, I'm gonna head out.
Love my ass and my abs in the video for promiscuous. My style is ridiculous. If you see us in the club, we'll be acting